Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add links in Facebook profile. Open your Facebook account. When you do so, go to the line About. After this, click on the option Contact and Basic Info. Now you will click on Add Social Link, which you will find in the field, Websites and Social Links. Here, click on the drop-down field and select Threads. In the field, enter the name of the link. Finally, click on Save to create your link in the Facebook profile. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.